To add air conditioning or floor heater commands to your scenes, you need to use a panel control command. Select the keypad and double-click on it, then go to the Light Key Settings or Moods tab. As shown in the previous video, change the button mode to Combination and type the commands for each button. We will add additional commands in the visitor scene to control the air conditioning and floor heater. Select the button, then press Command. Select the command number, and in the command type, select Panel Control. Under Panel Control Type, you can select to control either the AC or the floor heater. For AC selection, all rooms containing AC units will be displayed. Select the room and the AC unit. Choose the function you need to trigger and the switch status for this AC, such as AC power on or AC power off. Set the temperature by selecting the desired temperature, the AC speed, and then select the fan speed and AC mode. To raise the temperature, specify how many degrees you want to increase it from the current setting, which can range from 1 to 5 degrees. To reduce the temperature, the process is the same as raising it, but it will lower the temperature instead. For floor heater selection, selecting the floor heater will display all rooms equipped with floor heating. Choose the function to turn the floor heater on or off, set its temperature, or increase or decrease its current set temperature by 1 to 5 degrees. In our example, we will make the AC turn on, set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius, and set the fan speed to medium in living room. Therefore, we will need to add 3 panel control commands. First, create a command to turn on the living room AC. Then press Config. Select the next command to change the set temperature to 22 degrees Celsius. Press Config again. Select the next command to set the fan speed to medium. Press Config. You will see all the addresses appear in the middle section, then press Save. In Goodbye Mode example, we will turn off all AC units and floor heaters in the home. We will need 1 panel control command to turn off each room's AC or floor heater. Type the information, press Config, then Save All. To test your panel, press the Visitor and Goodbye scenes and observe the actions executed on your AC or floor heater.